subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has launched its new mid-range X series phone in China called Honor X40 with premium looking design. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor X40 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED curved display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset paired with Adreno 690 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6, 8 or 12GB of RAM that can be extended up to 7GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. As per the camera, the Honor X40 supports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Magic UI 6.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5100 mAh battery that supports 40W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.6 by 73.9 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 172 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor X40 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 120GB storage model is priced at 1,699 Chinese yuan, and there is 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available in the country in Magic Night Black, Moonlight Silver and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor X40 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.